Hey, it's Crafty Kitty, and I'm here to invite you to join me on a DIY collab for Easter. And it's to create a decoration. It could be a wreath, it could be a centerpiece, it could be a cake plate, it could be anything you want it to be. And you can use whatever you want. Items from your stash, you can go to the Dollar Tree, you can go to the thrift store. You can revamp an item if you like to make it into an Easter decor item. Whatever your little heart desires. The only thing you have to do is say, I'm Hoppy, to participate as a comment to say you want to join me on this fun collab. Also, if you could please show us the items you're going to use to do your DIY and maybe a little bit of you actually making the item you're going to create. That's all it is. Remember, all you have to do is leave a comment saying I'm Hoppy, not happy, Hoppy, to participate. And the upload date for this would be March 28th. Any time of the day. I don't even know what day March 28th falls on, but let me check that out. I think that would be a good idea if I check out what day the 28th is. But anyways, one moment. Okay, let's change that date because March 28th falls on a Thursday. So let's change it to March 30th is the upload date at any time during that day. I will create a playlist and I will add your video to the playlist. I will also have a link in the description box so that you can link it yourself if you like. If you have issues linking it, no worries. I'll do it for you. But I hope you all would join me on this fun time collab and let's all get crafty. Bye-bye.